What's up, everybody? We're behind the scenes now, so I'm actually holding the camera. You guys see the side of the truck. We're at what we're all doing.
Hi guys, clear eyes for dry eyes.
That's where the camera is, holding up on top of this, looking down for you guys.
I'm saying nothing about my pocket.
Liam over there.
Oh, that's something.
Behind the scenes action. Something you guys never seen before. No pictures, no pictures, no pictures. Camera shy. Walking right now, guys, so sorry it's a little unstable. What's up, Dennis? What's up, everybody else? Prince Adam, what's up, bro? All the countries that's watching, man, appreciate you guys. Look, man, I got soaked. Taking the camera down, I got blessed. Sitting in front of the hopper. Something you guys never seen. This is how we do it.
Make sure people don't think you're video on their properties and shit.
Hey, you did. I ain't doing that.
One, don't you feel down.
2, yes I do.
Witness the day. I can't help but laugh at him.
Oh, either can I. It's Dave. Just doing some behind the scenes stuff, guys. Just having fun. Videoing around.
You're not out.
Nope. Stop there. No, sir. Got to hear a little bit in the camera, but next stop's out. Trains everywhere. Lee Hammer.
That's me.
Yes, we jump off before they stop. I don't recommend doing that, but like I said, I've been doing it for a while. Like I said, see, we do stuff at night, so daytime, nighttime, it don't matter. We'll get her done. We're heading out in the middle of what we call BFE. I'll let you figure that one out.
got a car coming in.
But check out our scenery though. This is what we get to enjoy. It's the joys of being a garbage man. And you get to see this too. And Leah, he's doing crazy stuff. Trying to freak cars out behind us. This car behind us is like, what are we doing? Just videoing. And I get to stare at the back of this dude's bald ass head. Look at this big ass melon. Looks
Hi,
like
guys.
a
How you
747.
doing?
Yeah, look at that sunset.
What?
Look at that sunset.
How about the
Beautiful sunset. Oh, guys. Ain't nothing like going on the back of the trash truck. Cars flying by. Here comes another car as we go flying by.
Liv, you got a lot?
No.
Okay. Trying to be a team player.
Buddy Lee Hammer.
Cardboard.
My buddy Lee Hammer. Throwing stuff down.
I was expecting the box to be empty. Not empty.
Wasn't empty. We are heading there. Yes, sir. Beautiful Ohio sunsets. Go factories. Back to the trash. Lee Hammer. Well, shout out to your YouTube.
What?
Well, shout out to your YouTube channel.
Legal Lord 667.
There you go. Big piles of stone.
She told me it's pyramid lifting.
Huh?
She told me it's pyramid lifting. Yeah, I think it's starting to get a little bit chilly.
Yeah. That's why I kept my sweatshirt and stuff on, because I know it's going to.
Is Dave complaining it's cold?
Yep.
I didn't sound like a train. I said it's that time to put it on.
So it's that time to put it on. That's what the top looks like up there, guys. Just trying to show you guys everything. Right there's the dumpster that we gotta get to. Sorry guys, I'm still walking. Trying to keep it steady, but I'm walking on big rocks. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this one. See you guys in the next one. We're out.